Leonardo, the Caltech robot that walks, flies and rides a skateboard. Meet Leonardo, short for Legs on Board Drone, or LEO for short. Standing just 2.5 feet tall, this Caltech-built biped robot is part walking machine, part flying drone. Leo isn't just good at putting one foot in front of the other. Thanks to 4-angle propellers on its shoulders and multi-joint legs, it can walk on a slack line, hop and even ride a skateboard. Yes, an actual skateboard. The inspiration came from birds. Think about how they hop and flap to balance on telephone wires. Leo uses the same principles, blending walking and flying into one smooth action. Why is this important? Walking robots can stumble on rough terrain, while flying robots use lots of energy and can't carry much. Leo combines both worlds. Its legs carry most of the weight, while the thrusters keep its balance, letting it move through tricky environments with agility. Beyond the fun tricks, this has real potential. Future versions could help an aero robot land safely on uneven ground, or even assist Mars missions with legged landing gear. The project started in 2019 at Caltech's Center for Autonomous Systems and Technology, and researchers are already working on sturdier legs, stronger thrusters and smarter algorithms to make Leo more autonomous. So today it's walking wires and skateboarding, but tomorrow it could be redefining how robots move through our world and maybe even beyond it. And that's your robot news update for today. If you're curious how robotics can transform your business, join me for my weekly live Robot Optimized workshop. It's packed with insights, trends and practical tips. Don't forget to subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.